Now, the ranch chicken taco meat has a special spice mix, and it is delicious. Let me tell you what's in here. The first ingredient is 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. Next, a teaspoon of chili powder, then 1/2 teaspoon each of crushed red pepper flakes, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, all mixed together. I've got 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts in the bag, and I'm just gonna sprinkle the seasoning mix right into the bag. And then I'll just kind of shake it up, make sure that seasoning mix gets all over the chicken. You know, it's really such a simple seasoning mix. It doesn't have too many spices in it, but boy, after this chicken cooks in the oil, it is so, so tasty. I'm gonna cut it up into little bites, and I think the more seasoning you can get on chicken for tacos, the better. I think that chicken is about as covered as it is gonna get. So I'm gonna get it right into the skillet with the oil. Should be nice and sizzly by now. You don't have to use boneless, skinless chicken breasts for this chicken. One of the best things to use for chicken tacos are boneless, skinless thighs. It's dark meat, so it's got a little bit different flavor. I really like to use those when I have the chance. Hard to beat chicken breasts though. Alrighty, I'm gonna let those start to cook. Now to go with the tacos, I'm also gonna serve some charred mini peppers. These little mini peppers are suddenly everywhere in supermarkets. They sell them mixed colors in a big bag, and they are so delicious. Sometimes I have them, take the seeds out and fill them with cream cheese, fill them with pimento cheese, that's really delicious. But they're really fun just to throw on the grill and serve with a taco spread. They add great color and of course, great flavor. I'm gonna get all these on, and then I'll keep cooking the chicken until it's done, and I'll keep cooking the peppers until they're black. Alex is coming up here in a bit to have dinner with her siblings and her 2 Drummond cousins. I'm putting together a street taco feast, and this is the stage of the meal where I just pull everything together. I'm just getting these little peppers out of the pan, and look how pretty these are. These have the best flavor, whether they're fresh or grilled like this. Okay, now this chicken is about to kill me because it smells so good. I'm gonna take it out of the pan and let it cool just for a minute before I cut it up. Look at how dark and gorgeous that meat is. Love it. Okay, while that sits, I'm gonna get the tortillas ready to go into the oven. I like to do a mix of flour and corn tortillas. Really, I have found that people's tastes vary. Some people are all about flour. I happen to love corn tortillas, especially when it comes to street tacos. Okay, I really want to seal the tortillas in the foil so they don't dry out. Now I'm going to put these into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to cut up this delicious chicken for the tacos. It's just barely cooled off enough for me to handle it. I think boneless, skinless chicken breasts always need help when it comes to flavor. The more flavor on the outside, the better. And boy, this rub has all the things that you need in a Tex-Mex meal. It is so nice having Alex home for the summer, but it has gone by so fast. She's gonna be going back to college before she knows it. So when she's home, I definitely like to celebrate. Now I'm gonna put all of this diced chicken back into the skillet that it cooked in. I turned the heat off underneath, but this skillet still has all of that wonderful flavor from the seasoning, the chicken cooking. So I'm gonna put it in here just so we don't miss out on any of that flavor. Now I'll toss it all in there, and I can see it sort of picking up the little brown bits from the bottom of the skillet. That's the chicken. So I wanna cover the skillet with foil, just so it stays nice and warm. And now for the beans. I've just had a pot of beans simmering. Beans are great with tacos because you can actually serve them on top of the taco with everything else, or you can use them as a side dish. All I did was just cover some pinto beans with 1 inch or 2 of water. I added salt, pepper, and chili powder, and that was it. Cooked them for about 6 hours and they are absolutely perfect. I like for the bean liquid to be nice and thick. All right, almost there. Whenever you serve a big taco spread, you have to have a lot of fixins, and I've got them all ready to go. They're so colorful and fresh. I've got a bowl of shredded lettuce, some shredded Colby Jack cheese, shredded cabbage. Look at these beautiful diced tomatoes, some lime wedges for squeezing, and of course, this beautiful mango de gallo, and this ultra spicy salsa diablo. I'm telling you what, that has got a kick to it. And the very last fixin, avocado lime crema. I am absolutely addicted. It's so easy to make. The flesh of 2 avocados into the blender with a cup of sour cream, half a cup of milk, the zest and juice of 2 limes, a cup of chopped cilantro, some salt, and pepper. Blend it up, and that, my friends, is it. So tasty. All right, everything's ready. I've just got to lay it all out. All right, guys, you ready to eat?
Yes.
We have got a taco spread like no taco spread you've ever had, except for Alex, who has stuff like this all the time in Texas. You guys hop in, there's brisket, beans, there's chicken. I know, just dig in.
Yum.
Let's get some of this diablo.
Oh, Bryce, you better take it easy.
Get it, Diablo.
Caleb, I can't believe you're so grown up. You and Paige are gonna be going to college before too long. Your mom and I are gonna cry, and then we're gonna go on a spa vacation.
Go for it.
It's the only thing that will make us feel better.
What are you gonna do with me?
I'm just gonna love and cherish you every single day of your life, son.
While you're at the spa.
I'll write you a postcard. All right, you guys enjoy dinner.
All right, see you, Mom.
My turn now.
Yum, this looks so good.
Oh, yeah. Pretty good food, huh?